You can count on with Chief Meteorologist Taylor Knust and the Way 31 Storm Tracker Early Warning Radar Network.
Yet another day of 70s across North Alabama. We're getting spoiled with above average temperatures again today, but you probably have noticed it's feeling a little muggy out there, and all that mugginess is building up to our next round of showers and storms that will roll through later on tonight. If you have evening plans, you're likely going to stay dry. We're probably going to see the rain and storms move through after midnight for most of the Tennessee Valley, so don't cancel any plans. If you have them this evening, you're probably going to be in good shape, and the temperatures will stay put in the 60s for most of the night tonight as well. At this hour on the Way 31 Storm Tracker Early Warning Radar Network, we are rain-free except for maybe a couple sprinkles out there in Lauderdale County, but by and large it is going to stay dry for the next several hours. Different story to our west though. Widespread showers and storms ongoing from Mississippi back toward Arkansas and Louisiana. Parts of those states have a tornado watch currently in effect. No tornado warnings active at this hour, but we do have a severe thunderstorm warning just south of Jackson, Mississippi. The first of what will likely be several warnings issued for those locations through the late afternoon and this evening. Level 3 risk in place for severe weather for the areas highlighted in red. Closer to home here in North Alabama, the risk has not changed. We are still under that level 1 risk as these storms head our way. They're going to be weakening because we're losing the energy that these storms need to produce severe weather as the evening and the night wears on. So by the time we get to late tonight, there's basically no surface-based energy to support the threat for tornadoes or hail. There may be a slight risk for damaging wind gusts that's still in play, but certainly not as big a risk here as there is further to the west in Mississippi, Arkansas, and Louisiana. So let's time it out on Storm Tracker Future Radar. Once we get to midnight, that's when some of those showers and storms should start crossing the border from Mississippi into northwest Alabama. So right around that time is when we'll watch for potentially some strong storms around the shoals. As we get to the 2 o'clock hour, it starts drifting toward I-65. It's going to be after 2 o'clock that Huntsville has the best chance at scattered showers and maybe a weak storm or two. The chances of severe weather east of I-65 tonight, awfully low. I think it's going to be at least a little bit more likely west of the I-65 corridor. A few of those showers may linger early in the day on Thursday, but by lunchtime we're done with the rainfall and we'll actually get some sunshine to return by tomorrow afternoon. So the primary concern for any severe weather tonight will be isolated instances of severe wind gusts up to 60 miles per hour. But even those of you that don't see that are in store for a windy night across all of North Alabama starting late this evening, continuing through early on Thursday morning. Non-thunderstorm wind gusts could top out at 45 miles per hour during the night. That's especially going to be the case late tonight, maybe around 3, 4, 5 o'clock. Those wind gusts could peak at 40 to 45 miles per hour. We've had a couple instances like that in recent weeks, and it's going to be another windy night tonight. That type of wind should clear out pretty quickly as we head to the daytime on Thursday. So a wind advisory will be in effect from 9 p.m. this evening through 9 a.m. on Thursday. After that, we'll see a calming wind by tomorrow afternoon, and it's actually going to be another decently nice day on Thursday with highs back to the mid-60s for most of us. 65 in Scottsboro and 63 tomorrow afternoon in Athens. One more round of above average temperatures expected on Friday with some upper 50s and low 60s. And then we're going to cool down this weekend. The forecast has changed a little bit, especially for Saturday. It's not looking quite as cold with a high of 50 degrees. But our rain chances are increasing, so that might seem counterintuitive, but that is how the forecast has changed. Scattered rain showers possible periodically through the day on Saturday, possibly lingering into Saturday night. It is not completely out of the question that a couple spots see some snowflakes mix in with that rain, but accumulating snow in Alabama is not anticipated. We'll dry back out Sunday through Monday, and then another round of showers and potentially storms will return next Tuesday as high temperatures return to the 60s.